What's up guys, Richard here, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode in the language of magic. If you can see on my screen right now, we have building prefabs. So you're probably thinking, what did we do over the last 2 weeks? Well, what you're looking at right now is some of the things that we did, but we also did a bunch of changes to actual mechanics of the game, so the movement mechanics, the combat mechanics. Also, I fully implemented the speech bubble system. There's a few different things that we've done, and I'm going to show you each one right now. So first up, this is the most obvious one. Just ignore the terrible lighting at the moment because we're just using dynamic lighting. I haven't done any work with the lighting whatsoever. I just want to show you these prefabs. So first up, what we've got down here is we've got these building components, which are basically like different building blocks to make buildings. And then we've got a bunch of different prefabs which represent different types of buildings, which is going to allow our designer, when he finally starts building out his map, to just drag buildings in and build a full city, drag in NPCs, give them quests, give them like random patrol routes, etc., and just bring a whole city to life quite easily. So it's as simple as this. Let's say if I just want to put another building right in the middle there, I can just grab this large building C and drop it straight there, and there we go. Well, okay, let me just fix that. There we go. So I'm trying to grab the other arrow without turning. Okay, so yeah, it's that simple. And you know what? We'll go explore this in a second to show you what it looks like. Okay, so what I do want to show you now is basically the new movement mechanics. So you just saw that. I can zoom in and out with the up and down arrow keys. I can rotate the camera with the left and right key. We've actually got a camera arm now, so it interacts with the environment. And then you move with the WASD keys. So it's like a lot more interactive now and feels like a lot more of a 3D world as opposed to the original idea of an isometric style game. You'll see here, speech bubbles. Our speech bubbles have taken like a whole new meaning. They look so much better. They're fully mathematically generated. There's no sprites involved. Also, combat camera. As soon as you go into combat, depending on who you've selected and you're engaged with, you've got this new camera system which basically like zooms around and focuses in on things, because you can't, when you're actually in combat, move the camera around yourself, because the reason being is you need to be able to select things, which you use the up and down arrow keys or the 1, 2, 3 keys. Also, if you've got your spell book open, you need to be able to use your arrow keys, so you can't like move the camera around. So there's certain times when you can't, and one of those situations is clearly the combat. So that's a time when I wouldn't want to do that, and as you can see, I'm just like jumping between people and the combat camera is moving out of the way. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a little bit of a wander to show you guys what it's like walking around in this like potential city of ours. Okay, so I'm just going to get past all this, get away from these guys over here who are probably about to smash each other. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom in, and as you can see, we are in a potential city environment. That's simple. There'll just be like NPCs scattered about. They'll be following patrol routes. I'll be telling you about like all these different cool missions that you can go on and do, how you can learn different spells, etc., it's all starting to slowly come together now, which is great because we have literally been for weeks just working with boxes. There's a bunch of other small little things that have happened underneath, nothing you guys really care about, just like little AI things and stuff, just to make the world a little bit more realistic. Like if you're chatting with an AI and he gets under attack, he will like turn around and engage the enemy, or if you're under attack and you've got a friendly AI nearby, he'll run over and like help you type of thing. So there's like a bunch of little things that we've gotten up to. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to keep this video nice, short, sweet. If you like this, like it, share it around, sub to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. And if you've got anyone who's interested in a language learning game that's completely like comprehensive in its style, well, not comprehensive and like what it covers, but like comprehensible input style, then definitely share this video around. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video.